But invariably, it's like, why do I need to hire you all? It's like, why can't I do it with the insurance company myself following a car wreck? So what's our sales pitch? Why do they need to hire Schwartz and Associates?
Well, a lot of times,
you wouldn't hire an electrician to do your plumbing because they wouldn't know what to do. Second off, there are studies by insurance companies that say if you hire an attorney who knows what they're doing, you're going to get 3 to 4 times more money. So those are good reasons. But if you want to deal directly with the insurance company, the first thing I would, or if it's the other party's insurance, I wouldn't give them a statement about anything. Once they record you, they'll ask you questions. And we have something in Mississippi called comparative negligence. And if you say anything that could hurt your case, they won't have to pay you 100% of the case. And based on a true story, this guy who hired us, they asked him how fast he was going. He said, well, I think I was going 35. He said, so you were speeding. The speed limit's 30. We don't have to pay you 100% of the case. So it's much easier and better if you have another person talk on your behalf. That way you're not recorded, you're not saying something. Let that attorney do the talk, understand the law, and protect your rights. So it's definitely a good reason to hire an attorney, hopefully us.
Okay. What were you going to say, Zach?
Well, I mean, he mentioned the studies that, attorneys get you 3 to 4 times more. I mean, if they're dealing directly with an individual, they know they're not going to file a suit in court.
Yep.
They can't. So, that's a big part of it right there.
Yeah, you don't have any leverage.
Right.
If you try to do it yourself, you have no leverage.
Correct.
That's for sure.
Well, that goes into the negotiation process. Like if you're going to talk to the insurance company, what are you going to tell them? Ow, I hurt. Ooh, I this. Whereas generally when I talk to them, it's I'm going to prove this. I'm going to go show this in court. We can try to work something out now, or that's the direction we're going to head. And like y'all were saying, it just gives a little more credence to what's going on because they have to know in the back of their mind we can go file a lawsuit. And I have shown you the evidence that I have that I'll be presenting or something like that.
Yeah. Good point. Very good.